Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to set birthday reminders on your iPhone. This tutorial will be very quick and simple. Just make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video if you will find this guide useful. Now, on your iPhone, you want to first set up the birthdays on your contacts. So you want to go to your contacts and find all of your contacts, click edit. After that, scroll down and you will see a birthday option. So you want to go ahead and add a birthday. So you want to go ahead and set up the birthday. After you've done with that, you want to click done, and then the birthday will be here. Now you want to go ahead on calendar, and on calendar you will see that the birthday is, for example, tomorrow. And all you have to do now is go to your settings, scroll down until you see calendar, click on it. From here, you want to go ahead and click default alert times right there. And at the top, you will see birthdays, and all you have to do is click none. And on here, you want to choose on the day of the event, so you get a reminder and you will be reminded of the birthday. So if this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time. Bye.